Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel Bedagli's class. My friends, yesterday I told about the purpose of doing revision of trigonometry. I told you the purpose. I told you the necessity of revision of trigonometry class. My friends, again as I am doing already, I have done this trigonometry. All videos are there in YouTube under Bedagli's tutorial classes or Bedagli's tutorials, maths tutorials. You can find them. But even then, doing everything already in trigonometry. But again, I am doing a revision of trigonometry only because of what? To make the things which are not clear to the some students. I am not saying all students. To the some students, I am doing this revision to satisfy those students who needed it. Yes, my friends. I have started with again basic. In the previous video, means the first video revision class. Again, I explained the definition of 6 trigonometric ratios. What is sine theta? Sine theta is side opposite to theta upon hypotenuse, or that opposite to theta is always, it is a perpendicular drawn from the terminal side to the what? Basic baseline, initial side. It is a perpendicular. That perpendicular is known as side opposite to the angle. Then cos theta, side adjacent to the angle theta. Cos theta, side adjacent to the angle theta upon hypotenuse. Tan theta, side opposite to theta upon side adjacent to theta. Cosecant, secant, cot, they are the reciprocals of sine, cos, tan. So my friends, cosecant written as cosec theta, it is what? 1 by sine theta. What is the definition? Hypotenuse divided by side opposite to theta. Secant theta, written sec theta, reciprocal of what? Cos. 1 by cos theta, which is hypotenuse upon side adjacent to theta. Cotangent of theta, cot theta, which is 1 by tan theta, and nothing but side adjacent to theta upon side opposite to theta. These are 6 trigonometric ratios. We got these definitions by taking the ratio of the sides of a right angled triangle with one particular angle, acute angle of that right angled triangle, my friends. Yesterday explained. Okay, if you remember these 6 definitions or those 3 basic definitions, sine, cos, tan, what about the other 3? Just they are the reciprocals, my friends. Remember. With the help of that right angled triangle, my friend, not my friend, the general friend, the friend of all, great mathematician Pythagoras, making use of that theorem, hypotenuse is greater than what? The remaining 2 sides. As the hypotenuse is greater, in case of sine and cos, it comes under what? Denominator. Denominator is bigger than the numerator. When the denominator is bigger than the numerator, the values of sine theta and cos theta always less than 1. In one extent, it is equal to 1. Therefore, we have written there the values of sine theta, cos theta always less or equal to 1. As cosec and sec, they are the reciprocals. As sine and cos less than 1, cosec and sec, they are definitely what? Greater and equal to 1. And what about tan theta and cot theta? Tan theta and cot theta, that depends upon what? The values of opposite side and adjacent side. If the opposite side is bigger than the adjacent side, tan is greater than 1, cot is less than 1. If the adjacent side is bigger than the opposite side, then tan theta is less than 1, cot theta is greater than 1. In this case, the values of tan theta and cot theta depends on the lengths, the values of what? opposite and adjacent sides. Opposite and adjacent sides. My friends, explained these basics yesterday. After defining these 6 trigonometric ratios, I have started with the basic examples, my friends. I have done. That example is in the exercise 11.1, maybe last example, just to see, maybe last example. They're all 1 mark questions. They all based on the results and the definitions what we have done, my friends. Yesterday I have done 6 examples in the first video. I want to continue the examples based on same 6 definitions. Then what, my friends? Reciprocal identities. Cosec 1 by sine, sec 1 by cos, cot 1 by tan. Tan is sine upon cos, cot is cos upon sine. Based on this, as well as the values of sine theta, cos theta, I told. I want to continue few more examples under 1 mark questions. While doing 1 mark, sometimes the 1 mark questions they give as what? Multiple choice questions, otherwise find the values. Yes, my friends. Now, I will continue with these examples. Yes, my friends. This is SSLC or 10th standard math class. Trigonometry revision class, my friends. Trigonometry revision class for the 10th standard. Yes, my friends. This I will repeat this. S is a sine. P means perpendicular. Perpendicular, in other sense, it is a side opposite to angle upon hypotenuse. Cos, B upon H. That B is nothing but side adjacent to angle upon hypotenuse. Tan, P upon B. P means perpendicular side. That is a side opposite to angle upon side adjacent to angle theta. This is P upon H, B upon H, P upon B. Sine, cos, tan. This I told yesterday. You can remember as Pandit Badrinath Prasad Hara Hara Bole. Now entire trigonometry becomes in terms of what? Pandit Badrinath Prasad. That Pandit is the word. Just you also should become what? Pandit, experts in trigonometry. If you go with that down, cosecant. What is the reciprocal of sine? Cosec, which is H upon P. Reciprocal of cos, secant. Reciprocal, B by H is cos, H upon B is sec. T, P by B, cot. Reciprocal, B upon H. My friends, remember, if you wanted a small figure here, this is a right angle. It is a right angled triangle. My friend, this is theta. It is a right angle here. Then this is perpendicular. Then this is base. Then this is hypotenuse. Everything is there, my friends. Yes. Now I will continue with few more examples based on those definitions. This is the 7th example. 1 mark questions I have written here. 1 mark questions. If cos A equal to 3 by 5, then the value of sec A is a dash. Value of, I have written repeatedly. That's why I have not completed that. A. Then the value of sec A equal to dash. First option A, 5 by 3. Second option, 5 by 4. Third option, 3 by 5. Fourth option, 4 by 5. In such cases, directly you can mark it. What is sec? Reciprocal of cos. What is reciprocal of 3 by 5? Reciprocal means what? Ulta. 3 by 5 becomes 5 by 3. This is the answer. If you wanted, you can directly, if you write 5 by 3, they give 1 mark. 5 options. Choose the correct option and write. That's all. If you write 5 by 3, finished. Sec A solution it is. It is solution. Sec A 1 by cos. 1 upon 3 by 5. Simplification 5 by 3. What is the answer? This you must write. Answer is option A. Option A. That is very important. This question is appeared 2020 last year, my friends. Annual question. If 13 sine theta equal to 12, then the value of cosec theta equal to dash. Dash. These are the four options. I have not written A, B, C, D. Understood? First is A, second is B, third is C, fourth is D. 12 by 5, 13 by 5, 12 by 13, 13 by 12. Yes, my friend. This is the solution for this. What is given? 13 sine theta is 12. Solve for sine theta. Bring 13 down. Sine theta is 12 by 13. Therefore, cosec 1 by sine. Reciprocal of 12 by 13 is 13 by 12. 13 by 12 is what? This is the answer, my friend. Therefore, you must write here. What is the answer? Answer is option D, fourth one. Option D, this you must write. This is there in the model question paper, my friends. Model question paper. If 15 cot A equal to 8, then find the value of tan A. They give in the form of multiple choice questions. Otherwise, this is also one mark question. Given 15 cot A equal to 8, then find the value of tan. Given 15 cot A is 8. This gives the value of cot. Value of cot. Bring 15 down, 8 by 15. Now tan is 1 by cot. 1 by 8 upon 15, which is 15 upon 8. 15 upon 8. This is the next question. Find the value of tan theta plus cot theta. Tan theta plus cot theta. If tan theta is 3 by 4, if tan theta is 3 by 4, you have to find the value of this, my friend. Solution. Given tan theta is 3 by 4. What is cot theta? 1 by tan. Reciprocal of 3 by 4, 4 by 3. Now, tan theta plus cot theta. Tan is 3 by 4. Cot is 4 by 3. LCM 12. Cross multiplication 9. Cross multiplication 16. 9 plus 16 is 25 upon 12. Is the answer for this. Answer for this. This is DIY. If cos A equal to 1 by 2, then find the value of cos A plus sec A. Parallel to the example. Cos A is 1 by 2 means what is sec A? 2 by 1. Add it 3 by 2. This is a very good question, my friends. Twisted spin is there by the examiner. Little spin, not more spin. Little spin is there. If tan theta equal to 7 by 24, then find the value of sin A plus cos A into sec A. Sin A plus cos A into sec A. Value of tan A is given. Value of tan A is given. Tan A is given. Good question, my friends. Little twist is there. Solution. Now, sin A, you have to convert this in terms of tan only. Otherwise, by making use of the tan, you must find the value of sin, cos, sec. For that, you have to make use this right angle, the triangle. In right angle, the triangle, the friend is given tan. What is it? Opposite side upon adjacent side. What is opposite side? 7. What is adjacent side? 24. Then hypotenuse, Pythagorean numbers. 7, 24, 25. After writing all these three values, my friends, this is your A. Tan means what? 7 by 24. Then you have to find this value, which is 25. Then you have to find the value of sin A, cos A, sec A. Substitute. That is one method. Little lengthy. But the friend examiner doesn't want this. Doesn't want this. Why? It comes under 1 mark question. 1 mark question means, my friends, you must use your brain, not head. Brain you have to make use. Yes. Sec A. Write the sec in terms of what? Cos. Sec is written in terms of cos. Simplify. Sin A into 1 by cos A is what? Sin A upon cos A plus cos A upon cos A. What is sin by cos? Tan. What is cos? Cos. Cancels. You know the value of tan A. which is 7 upon 24 plus 1. Simplify. 7 plus 24 is 31 upon LCM is what? 24. This is a good example, my friend. Good example. This is another good example, my friends. I hope it is clear to all. Clear to all. This is another good example. What is the maximum value of 1 by cosec theta? What is the maximum value of 1 by cosec theta? Cosec theta. Yes, my friend, what is 1 by cosec theta? Is sine theta, pi. Pi, reciprocal of sine is cosec and reciprocal of cosec is sine. Therefore, 1 by cosec is sine theta. We know that the value of sine theta is, I told in the beginning itself, less or equal to 1. When less or equal to 1 means among these, this is the value, my friends. This is the value which is 1. Less means these are the values. Equal means this. In this interval, my friends, what is the maximum value of this sine theta? Is 1. Therefore, the maximum value of sine theta is 1. As a sine theta is 1, therefore the maximum value of 1 by cosec theta is also what? 1. Is also what? 1. See how those results are useful, my friends. That is why I have done those results. Now you note it. Directly they give such examples. These are intelligent examples. In the examiner, he has at least 10 marks, 10%, 10 marks to give what? Little higher side of the example. Higher means what? Not the top. The student should think of it. Student should know the basics of it. Here, what is the higher side? Writing sec in terms of cos. Everything becomes simplifying. Everything becomes simple. Make use of the tan. Very simple example. Here, if you know the value of sine theta, which is less or greater, less or equal to 1. As 1 by cosec is sine. As sine is less or equal to 1. Equal to 1 is the maximum value of sine. Therefore, the maximum value of what? 1 by cosec theta is also 1. These are very good examples, my friends. Very good examples. Understood? Yes, my friends. Just to note these, I give fraction of a minute. Please copy this. And I do few more examples based on your basics, that corner. Pandit Badrinath Prasad Hara Hara Bole. I do few more examples based on that. Yes, my friends, copy it. My friends, now I do a little slightly different, and these will also come under what? 1 mark questions. That allotment of the marks always depends on the examiners, my friends. These are from the model question papers. These examples are from the model question papers. 1 mark questions, model question papers given by the board itself, SSLC board. In the figure, this is the figure, my friends. In the figure, angle B is 90. Angle B, otherwise they will mention what? In the figure, yes, right angled at B. Right angled at B. Otherwise, sometimes in the figure, instead of in the figure, they give what? In the triangle ABC. That's also possibility is there. In the triangle ABC, here, instead of figure, okay, figure is there. It is a figure is a triangle itself. In the figure, right angled at B means angle B is 90 degrees. AB is 5. AC is 13. AC is 13. Then find the value of sine C. Sine C. Yes. Now, is it necessary to find the value of BC? Then you go for what? What you wanted. Sine C. Opposite to side, opposite to angle C, side opposite to angle C upon hypotenuse. What is side opposite to angle C is 5. hypotenuse is 13. 5 by 13, no need to find the value of this remaining side. No need, my friends, no need. I hope it's a simple example. Simple example. One more, I have given this as a DIY, parallel example, DIY. In the figure, the value of sin C equal to dash. Value of sin C equal to dash. The friend is not mentioned. Directly this figure is given. Right angled at B. All the three sides are mentioned. AB 1, BC root 3, AC 2. Everything is mentioned. Friend wanted sin C, the value of sin C. This is your C, my friend. This is your C. Tell. What is sin C? Side opposite to C upon hypotenuse. Side opposite to C upon hypotenuse, which is 1 by 2. So, this 1 by 2 is the answer. I have given it as what? DIY. DIY. Write that at home. This is the next example. It is also there in the model question paper. In the figure, this is the figure. Find the value of sin theta and cos x. Sin theta and cos x. This is the figure, my friends. In the figure, PQR is a triangle. PQR is a triangle. In this triangle, yes, this is given theta. This is given x. Sometimes instead of mentioning angle P, angle R, angle P is nothing but what? Theta. Angle R is nothing but angle x. The friend wanted what is the value of sin theta and cos x. Sin theta. Sin theta. Side opposite to theta upon hypotenuse. Side opposite to theta upon hypotenuse. What is side opposite to theta? Opposite to theta is 5. Hypotenuse 30. Cos x. Cos x. What is cos x? This is your x, my friend. Cos means side adjacent to x. Side adjacent to x upon hypotenuse. Adjacent to x is 5. Hypotenuse is 13. It is also 5 by 30. Therefore, this is enough because the friend wanted what is the value of sin theta and cos x. The same example the friend wanted to give it in 2 mark question. 2 mark question. This is 1 mark. 2 mark question. At that time, instead of giving sin theta cos x, he will mention this. Find the value of sin theta plus cos x. Find the value of sin theta plus cos x. If they mention this, the friend will give under 2 mark question. 2 mark question. Even under 1 mark only, no need of writing this. What is sin theta? Sin theta means opposite upon hypotenuse. Directly you can write. Plus cos x, adjacent upon hypotenuse. 5 by 30. 13 is the LCM. 5 plus 5. 10 upon 30. Directly you can write this step. Instead of 2 mark, even the friend may give 1 mark also. Even they may give under 1 mark. Yes, my friends. Slightly different other than this. This is 14th example. The same parallel example given here. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. In the given figure, this is the given figure. Find the value of sin x plus cos theta. Sin x plus cos theta. This is the figure. Sides mentioned AB, BC, AC. They are Pythagorean numbers. You wanted the sin x, this one, opposite upon hypotenuse 3 by 5 plus cos theta. What is cos theta? Same. Adjacent upon hypotenuse 3 by 5. 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5 is what? 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5 is what? 5 is LCM. 3 plus 3 is 6. The answer for this is 6 by 5. 6 by 5. You must do it yourselves. Same parallel example is there in your exercise 11.1. Exercise 11.1. Example number 2. Example number 2. This is there in your textbook, my friend. Textbook 11.1. Exercise 2. In the figure, this is the figure. This is right angled at Q. Right angled at Q. Then the friend wanted the value of tan P minus cot R. Tan P minus cot R. Try to write this directly if it gives under 1 mark question. 1 mark question. Now for your sake I have written in detail. From the triangle PQR, we have, you wanted tan P, this is your P, opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite, it is tan, my friend. Opposite upon adjacent 5 by 12. Then cot R, this is your R. Cot means what? Adjacent upon opposite 5 by 12. You wanted tan P minus cot R. Tan P minus cot R. 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12. Cancellation. What is the answer? 0. See my friends, these are the examples constructed with the help of this example which is given in the textbook. This is the given example in the textbook. These are the examples given by the examiners, my friends. Therefore, sometimes 1 mark, 2 mark, parallel examples based on the examples given in your textbook. The friend examiner is free to construct examples. These are the examples, my friends, constructed. Example 2. This is example 1. Based on this, the friend constructed DIY and another example. See here. This is in triangle ABC, right angled at B. Right angled at B. Given that AB is 24. AB is 24 centimeter. BC is 7 centimeter. Then determine the value of sin A cot C. Sin A cot C. Yes, my friend. Sin means you need what? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. You have to make use. Great friend Pythagoras. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. 24 the whole square. 576 plus 7 square. 49. 576 plus 49 is 625. It is nothing but 25 the whole square. Therefore, the value of AC is 25. My friend, this is 25. 25. You wanted sin A opposite to A upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Next, cot C. Cot C. This is your C. Cot means adjacent to C upon opposite to C. Adjacent to C upon opposite to C. Adjacent is 7, opposite is 24. It is 7 upon 24. Just to try, sin C second. Sin C second. Based on this, it is an example where in exercise 11.1, first example. Based on this, these are the examples constructed by the examiners. Constructed by the examiners given in the model question papers. Based on this, these are the examples constructed by the examiners. This as well as what? This, my friend. Yes, these are same type of examples, my friends. Okay, very simple examples based 1 mark, otherwise 2 mark questions. Half minute, just you copy it. Half minute. Yes, friends, slight change. These are also examples under 2 mark questions. 2 mark questions or 1 mark questions. If cos theta is 8 by 17, then find the value of tan theta. Tan theta. Cos is given, tan is given. What is cos? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. What is tan? Opposite upon adjacent. In this case, you have to find all the 3 sides of a triangle, my friends. Right angle triangle. Given cos theta is 8 by 17. What is cos theta? Tell my friends. It is a definition. Side adjacent to theta upon hypotenuse. Upon hypotenuse. Definition. This is your reference triangle. This is your theta, right angled at B. Adjacent to theta is BC. This BC is given as 18. Actually, this gives what? This gives BC upon AC equal to 8 by 17. BC upon AC is 8 by 17. Therefore, BC is 8, AC is 17. Sometimes I told already in the main videos, as it is a ratio, you can find there are some multiple of constant, my friends. Instead of writing 8 here, you can write 8K, AC 17K. In that way, I have done in the main videos, just we can refer there. I have written directly 8 and 17. Then you wanted what? The value of AB square, value of AB you wanted. Pythagoras theorem. AB square equal to AC square minus BC square. AC square minus BC square. This. AC square minus BC square. 17 square 289 minus 8 square 64. 289 minus 64 is 225. 15 the square. Therefore, AB is what? 15. AB is 15. Just, my friends, it is a calculated value. I will mention that circle. These 17 and 8 are given values. That 15 with a little symbol, it is a calculated value. Write tan theta. Opposite to theta upon adjacent to theta. What is opposite to theta? 15. Adjacent is 8. So the value of tan theta is 15 by 8. 15 by 8 is tan theta. One parallel example I have given as a DIY. If cos theta is 7 upon 25, find the value of cot theta. Here my friend already have done 7, 25 Pythagorean numbers. What is the remaining side? 24. 7, 24, 25. In this case, what is it? 8, 15, 17. 8, 15, 17. They are the Pythagorean numbers. If you remember this, we can avoid calculation of all these things now. All these things. Second, if sin A equal to 24 upon 25, find the value of tan A plus cot A. Tan A plus cot A. Given sin 24 upon 25, definition of sin, opposite, side opposite to A upon hypotenuse. Side opposite to A, this is your A, my friends. This is your A. If you wanted, we can just mark this angle A. Opposite upon hypotenuse. So, opposite is 24, hypotenuse is 25. Therefore, Pythagorean numbers, my friends, I told it is 7. I mark like this. Calculated value. BC, opposite, hypotenuse, 25. I have written directly the value of AB is 7. In the previous example, I have calculated everything. Now, tan A plus cot A, I have written directly. Tan A, opposite upon adjacent, 24 upon 7, plus cot A. Cot A is what? Reciprocal of this. If it is 24 upon 7, it is 7 upon 24. LCM, 7 into 24, cross 24 the whole square plus 7 the whole square. 24, 7 means it is what? 25 the whole square, which is 625 upon 7 into 24. 7 into 4 is 28, 2. 7 into 2 is 14 plus 2 is 16. This is the answer, my friends. This is the answer. Then I have given one parallel. It is what? 15 cot A equal to 8. Then find the value of sin A plus sec A. And here plus. Sin A plus sec A. Parallel to this. Next one. These are slightly lengthy examples. Lengthy. One sample I have done, my friends. Why? If you use my main videos done earlier, I have done so many examples of this type. If sec theta is 13 by 12, find the other trigonometric ratios. Other trigonometric ratios means you need the sides of all the three sides of a right angle triangle. Given sec theta 13 by 12, what is the definition of sec? Hypotenuse upon side adjacent to theta here. Side adjacent to theta. This is your figure. Reference with figure hypotenuse AC adjacent BC. It is AC upon BC. AC upon BC means you got it as what? Therefore, this is AC upon BC is 13 by 12. Therefore, the value of AC is 13, BC is 12. Pythagorean numbers, my friend. So, this is 5, 12, 13. Pythagorean numbers. Pythagorean numbers. The other trigonometric ratios are sine theta, opposite upon hypotenuse. Cosec reciprocal, directly you can write. When sine is this, cosec is reciprocal. Tan theta, opposite upon adjacent, 5 by 12. Cot theta, I have not written directly 1 by tan, I have written not independent. What is cot theta? Adjacent to theta upon opposite to theta. What is adjacent to theta? 12. What is opposite? 5. So it is 12 by 5, 5 by 12, 12 by 5 like this. Otherwise, taking the reciprocal also we can write. Cos theta, definition. Adjacent to theta upon hypotenuse. Adjacent to theta is 12 upon hypotenuse is 13. So when one ratio is given, this is the method of finding the other remaining 5 trigonometric ratios. This they give under what? 3-mark question, under the most 3-mark question. Such examples, just a 2-mark question. Such example, this my friend, this is 1 mark, this is 2 mark. If tan A equal to 4 by 3, find the remaining trigonometric ratios. 3-mark questions. This is one more. If cosec A equal to root 10, find the other trigonometric ratios. This root 10 can be written as what, my friend? Root 10 upon 1. Root 10 upon 1. This. Cosec, hypotenuse upon opposite side. It is what? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Theta, my friend. What is given? Cos A. This is A. Yes, root 10. What is side opposite? 1. Then what is this value? 3. Why? Again Pythagorean numbers. 1 square plus 3 square. 1 plus 3 square is 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. AC is root 10. You can write what? The remaining. Remaining trigonometric ratios. Sine A 1 by root 10. Cos A 3 by root 10. Tan A 1 by 3. Other 3 are just their reciprocals, my friends. Just you work out all this set, my friends. All this set. One type of examples. If you are perfect in such examples, my friends, you will be perfect in trigonometry, my friends. Very important to identify sine, cos, tan definitions. You have to make use of those definitions in doing the examples. If you are perfect in doing the examples, that itself shows, my friends, you have or you will be or you are perfect in basics. That is a trigonometry. Yes, my friends. Copy it. Copy it. Yes, friends. Now, lastly, in the exercise 11.1 only, I have selected one example, and last two examples, my friends, just exercise to your brain, exercise to your brain. With the help of the figure, they are really good questions. They are also not outside, they are from the NCERT book. Okay, question papers. Yes, my friend. This is the first question. This is the first question. In the figure, find the value of cot theta. The friend is not at all mentioned anything. Directly this figure is given. With the help of this figure, you wanted to find the value of cot theta. This is the figure. Triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Right angled at B. The side AB is 3, side BC is 4. Then the friend is drawn another perpendicular at C. And it is a perpendicular to, this is CD is perpendicular to AC. This is 90 degrees. This CD is perpendicular to AC. This is 90. This side is joined. AD is joined. In this figure, he mentioned this is 3, this is 4, this is 12. You wanted cot of this angle theta. What is cot of this angle theta? Adjacent to theta upon opposite to theta. Adjacent is given 12. Opposite is not given. What is the opposite side? AC. Can you find it? Yes, sir. 5. It is a right angle triangle in which B is 90. Other two sides, directly by Pythagorean numbers, you can write 5. Then what is your cot? Adjacent upon opposite, 12 by 5 is the answer. 12 by 5 is the answer. It is competitive exams for objective type questions. Objective type, multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions, my friends. Multiple choice. See, in the triangle ABC. B is 90, my friend. In the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, this is 90. These are the two sides. AC square equal to angle B is 90. Here it's a figure itself tells AC square is AB square plus BC square. 9 plus 16, 25, 5 square. So the value of AC is 5. AC is 5. Given CD is 12. Cot of theta. Adjacent to theta upon opposite to theta. CD upon AC, which is 12 by 5. 12 by 5. Even they may give it as a what? Multiple choice question. How? This is first choice. A. A is 12 by 5. B is 5 by 12. C is, they may give what? 3 by 4. They may give 3 by 4. D is 4 by 3. They may give like this. Objective type. Multiple choice question. They may give like this also, my friends. This is one I hope clear. Directly if you have 90, other two sides. Pythagorean number, right angle triangle, 5. When this is 5, what is your cot? This is cot. Adjacent upon opposite. 12 by 5. Same, this is another figure here. In the figure, the friend is mentioned. AD is 4, BD is 3, CB is 12. Then find the value of cot C. Theta is not mentioned in this case, my friend. If you wanted why always cot, you may write another one. Instead of cot C, you can write tan. Okay. You take cot C itself. Cot C. Yes. In the triangle ABD, this is 90 degrees, my friend, given. These are 3 and 4. Once again, hypotenuse is AB. AB is hypotenuse, its value is 5. Calculated. Cot C, this is C. Adjacent to C upon opposite to C. Adjacent to C is CB. Opposite is AB. What is CB is given as 12. What is AB? 5. 12. And you wanted not only this, my friend, not only this. By chance, the friend wanted in terms of what? Sec or anything. Sec C. Sec C. Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse upon adjacent to C. Adjacent to C. Is hypotenuse is given. Tell my friend. This is 5. This is 5. Then directly what is AB? AB is 13. Why? 5, 12, 13 are Pythagorean numbers, my friend. And this comes what? This is 5. I will make it what? Around 5. This is calculated. And this is 13, my friend. Calculated. Then what is sec C? Hypotenuse upon adjacent to C. Hypotenuse is 13. 13 upon 12. Here AB is 5. Then clearly. And AC. AC is 13. Why AC is 13, my friend? This is 12, this is 5, therefore it is 13. Pythagorean number 90. Opposite to 90 is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. So the value of sec C is what? Hypotenuse upon adjacent to C. This is another example from your textbook. I have done it, but little change is done. In a right angle triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees and tan A equal to 1. Tan A equal to 1. Then find the value of sin A into cos A. Sin A into cos A. Right angle triangle tan A equal to 1. Tan A equal to 1. A means this is your reference angle, my friend. Reference. This is your reference, my friend. This is your C reference. Yes. Tan A. Tan means what? Opposite to A upon adjacent to A. Adjacent to A. Which is BC upon AB. BC upon AB. Therefore, BC upon AB is 1. 1 is 1 by 1. So BC is 1, AB is 1. So AC, BC is 1, AB is 1. What is BC? Square of 1 plus square of 1, which is root 2. Then you wanted the sin A opposite 1 by root 2. Cos A adjacent upon hypotenuse 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 is what, my friend? This is 1 by 2 is the answer. 1 by 2 is the answer. My friends, 1 minute just to copy it. Copy it. Yes, my friends, this finishes that the main first chapter, that is the basic, what is it? Trigonometric ratios of acute angle. Trigonometric ratios of acute angle. Once again, my friends, as a repetition, I told trigonometry, it is a revision class. Revision class, I told. Once again, my friends, I have defined all 6 trigonometric ratios, their relations, then reciprocal identities. Cosec, sec, cot. 1 by sine, 1 by cos, 1 by tan. Everything. Then sine theta and cos theta never be greater than 1. Always they are less or equal to 1. Reciprocals. Cosec A and sec A always what? They are greater or equal to 1. But what about the tan and cot? It depends upon opposite and adjacent sides. I told if the opposite side is greater, tan is greater, cot is smaller. If adjacent side is greater, tan is smaller and cot is bigger. Explain. Connected with these, my friends, these basic things. I have explained all these examples, taking the examples from the exercise 11.1. 11.1. Yes, ma'am. By taking these two classes yesterday and this one, I have explained, I have made a revision of what? That basic, what is that basic? Trigonometric ratios of an acute angle and all related examples. My friends, from this you get one example under 1 mark. Sometimes a very simple example. Cos theta is given 3 by 5. Then what is the value of sec theta? Like that. Sin is given. What is the value of cosec theta? Tan is given. What is the value of tan A plus cot A? Like that. All simple examples my friends have done. Now you don't say trigonometry is difficult. Trigonometry, you are oscillating. No. Become firm. Instead of one, read repeatedly the video twice, thrice, until you understand. I told you the very importance of this trigonometry to the future mathematics. If you join PUC second year, PUC first year, engineering classes, for everything you needed, my friends, trigonometry. With this, next I will go with what? The only 1 mark, 2 mark questions, not lengthy. I have not done lengthy examples of what? Exercise 11.1. 11.1 I have not done lengthy examples. If you wanted those lengthy examples, I have done in detail everything beginning in the earlier trigonometry videos. Earlier. Just if you go to the YouTube and type what? Belavili's tutorial classes, you can get once again everything show. All examples I have done, even solved examples I have done, my friends. Solved examples, even question paper examples, everything I have done in detail in the main videos. Already that videos are available in the YouTube. Please go through Belavili's tutorials. You can find those every examples under 11.1. My friends, saying this, next is I am going to do with what? Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Then exercise 11.3. There also I will select only 1 mark, 2 mark questions. I will finish it by taking 1 or 2 classes. Even theory part is available with my main concentration. Basics I want to explain, I want to make it clear. After that, directly I will go with examples, my friends. Okay. Till then, my friends, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, bye, goodbye, namaste, namaskara, namashinyo, namaste. Thank you, my friends.